Not bad per se, because I'm always updated if they had something new, if they had some new stock, and if they had a markdown. That's what my goal is. Yo, another day here at the Nike factory store, and hoping we could find something. Today I'm just gonna check out the Nike factory store, if they had something, if they have some returns or something like that, but not to expect too much. So with that said, oh, by the way, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And welcome back for another Nike factory store. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, we got something here, an Air Force One low. This one is being returned. As you can see, 7.5, and it's already had a dirt, so pass on those. We got the Air Max DNE, they're selling for $99. The Air Max 2090, they're on sale for $89. We got a bunch here, full size run. The colorway of the Nike Air Max 290 is white and black chill red. Interesting colorway. Ooh, triple white of Air Max Zero Essential. Not bad. Rust colorway with the Air Max 90 109. How about this one? 59 and the Nike Flight Legacy. Not bad for the price, but they don't have additional discount. Air Max 200, 59.97. Another Air Max 200 winter anthracite metallic silver, 69.97. Okay, we got the Air Max 99. Air Max 270 React. It's kind of high price for now. The other outlet, I picked that up, one of those much more cheaper. This metallic gold, still high price, 39. This classic box of this Jordan, look at that. Looks like a classic box of Jordan. They are selling for $69.97 with additional, no additional discount. Next one, we got the Nike Space 84. They're selling for $79.97, no additional discount. This one is not bad for the Nike Skyforce 340 and the $59.99, $69.97 of the Nike React Presto. I'll wait out on this one. Probably they're gonna set on $59.97 with additional 30%. Nike React Vision, $79.97. What do you think on those? Nike React Element 55. They have been sitting here because no one buying them because of the defects, as you can see on the box. Alright, so as you can see, not much going on the Nike factory store today. They had a good deals on clothing. If you are wanted to stock up on clothing, they have 20% off, they have 40% off, they also have 50% off on jackets and winter jackets. But in shoes, there's nothing there. Too much markdowns, no additional discounts on men, no additional discount on women. They only have a discount on kids shoe. I see a $29.99.97 with additional discount of 20% off, but that shoe is kind of ugly. And other than that, not too much as I expected. But with that, I'm still glad that I went in here just to make sure I could miss out on anything. Not bad per se, because I'm always updated if they had something new, if they had some new stock, and if they had a markdown. That's what my goal is. Sometimes at least I'm updated. What do they have, what the prices are, what are the previous prices are, so I could learn more how do they markdowns and something like that. And if they did the markdown today, I'm pretty sure that it might gonna have additional discount on the coming week. Then it's about time to stock up on those. But other than that, I hope you like this video, and I hope you like zero the Nike factory store. That's how it is. It's part of it. But anyway, if you like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up? Also leave a comment down below. It helps the channel grow with the algorithm. And with that said, also subscribe if you haven't, click the notification bell. And with that all, thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Mag-ingat pa kayo. Bye bye.